everyone! Welcome back to our distance learning. It's me again, Teacher Jenny. Today is Thursday, March 4th, 2021. And every Thursday, everyone, we have two subjects, Writing Bright 1 and also Blueprint. Now, for our first session, we are going to study Unit 6, Verbs and Sentence Patterns 1 from Writing Bright 1 textbook. So everyone, please prepare your textbook, Writing Bright 1, and let's start. Now for this lesson, everyone, before we continue or before we proceed to our new lesson, let's have a review from yesterday's lesson. We talk about brother and sister. Now this story, everyone, we talk about what's the meaning of the green highlight. Do you still remember what we talked about last time, everyone? Yes, correct. This green highlights is transitive verbs. Now, for our new lesson, everyone, open your book to page 58, and this is the clarification of our previous lesson. We are going to talk about grammar for writing. Now, for our first part, this grammar for writing, we have two parts. Now, we are going to focus for part 1 first. For part 1, we are going to talk about types of verbs. We have 3 different kinds of or types of verbs. The first one is transitive verb, which I already mentioned last time. This transitive verb composed of this form: S for subject plus V verb plus O object, correct? Now for our second one is intransitive verb. This one composed of form S for subject plus V for verb. And for the last type of verb is linking verb. Linking verb composed of this form: S for subject plus V for verb plus SC. What is SC, everyone? SC is subject complement. Now, these 3 types of verb we are going to discuss today. Remember, everyone, transitive verb or TV, intransitive verb for IV, linking verb for LV. Why I have to do like this? This one we are going to continue for our exercise later. Now let's focus for these verbs, everyone. Now open your book to page 58. This one is part 1, types of verb. Now number 1, transitive verbs composed with subject plus verb plus object. Now there are 2 basic types of verbs. There are transitive and intransitive. Transitive verbs needs an object to complete the sentence. An object is a noun or pronoun that comes after a transitive verb and tells who or what receives the action. Now here are the examples for transitive verbs. Transitive verbs: I like movies. I like. Then you have to continue this one with an object. So I like without any object is not transitive sentence. Next is she found her bag, not she found only. Alright, everyone, now let's move on to the examples of intransitive verbs. Subject plus verb. Like I have mentioned earlier, or this is intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs don't need an object to be complete. They have meaning on their own. So here are the examples. They arrive. They arrive the airport. That's wrong. They arrive at the airport. That's the correct form. Next is he talked. He talked me. That's incorrect. He talked to me. That's the correct form. Now, let's move on to the number 3, linking verbs, subject plus verb plus subject complement. The third type of verb is a linking verb. It links a subject and a subject complement. A subject complement is a noun or adjective that comes after a linking verb and describes the subject. So here are the examples, everyone. She is happy. She looks happy. They're all the same and they're all correct. I feel happy. He is a teacher. She became a teacher. Okay, everyone, so these are the 3 types of verb. If you are not clear enough of our lesson, you can ask your teacher for more clarification and information. Just follow our textbook. Now, let's move on to our exercise for today. Your exercise or your classwork for today is make a sentence for the following verbs. So, I have 6 verbs in here. All you have to do is make a sentence. First is take. You are going to use transitive verb into a sentence. Next is walk, intransitive verb. Third is sound. LV is linking verb. Fourth is build. Fifth is jump. And the last one is fill. Now, once you finish this classwork or exercise, don't forget to send your answers to your teacher's personal telegram. So that's it, everyone. This is the end of our first session. We will continue our lesson in our second session. Bye!